हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम इस मॉक टेस्ट में जो क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे वो सब्जेक्ट्स में से होंगे सीआरपीसी, एविडेंस, हिंदू लॉ एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। अंडर विच सेक्शन ऑफ द सीआरपीसी 1973 अ प्रोक्लेमेशन फॉर पर्सन, ठीक है, किसमें दिया हुआ ये? अंडर सेक्शन 82, 83, 81, 80। Answer is A option, that is under section 82. Second question is a warrant of arrest may be executed within the jurisdiction of the court, within the jurisdiction of police officer, within state, at any place in India. Answer is D option, that is at any place in India. Our third question is it is mandatory for the police officer to produce the arrested person before the magistrate within 24 hours of his arrest under which section? Section 56, 57, 58, 59. Answer is section 57. Fourth question is a chief judicial magistrate may pass a sentence of imprisonment not exceeding 7 years, exceeding 7 years, for life, none of the above. So the answer to this question is not exceeding 7 years. A is the answer to this question. Fifth question is who appoints executive magistrate? High Court, state government, central government, Supreme Court. Answer is B option, that is state government. Sixth question is a public prosecutor for the High Court is appointed under section 24 of the ERPC 1973 by the central government without the consultation with the High Court, state government without consultation with the High Court, state government after consultation with the central government, state government after consultation with the High Court. So the answer to this question is D option, that is state government after consultation with the High Court. Seventh question is a case relating to an offence punishable with death, imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term exceeding 2 years is known as summons case, warrant case, cognizable case, non-bailable case. Answer is B option, that is warrant case. Eighth question is state government may by notification declare any area to be metropolitan area for the purposes of the CRPC whose population exceeds 10 lakhs, 55 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Answer is A option, that is 10 lakhs. Ninth question is any offence under the IPC may be tried by High Court, Court of Session, any other court shown in the first schedule, all of the above. So the answer to this question is all of the above. D is the answer to this question. 10th question is the law relating to jurisdiction in the case of juveniles is provided under which section? 26, 27, 28, 29. Answer is B option, that is section 27. Our 11th question is the SC laid down, Supreme Court laid down certain requirements to be followed in all cases of arrest and detention in Vaishwa's case, DK Basu's case, Andule's case, Keshwananda Bharti's case. Answer is B option, that is DK Basu's case. Our 12th question is which section of the CRPC provides examination of person accused of rape by medical practitioner? Options है section 53, 53A, 50A, 54A. Answer is B option, that is section 53A. 13th question is a person arrested without a warrant cannot be detained by the police for more than 24 hours. ये हमने अभी देखा, it is given in section 57. However, if the police officer considers it necessary to detain such a person for a longer period for the purpose of investigation, he can do so only after obtaining a special order of magistrate under which section? 166, 167, 168, 169. So the answer is 167 section of CRPC. B is the answer to this question. Our 14th question is under which section of CRPC a court of session has the original jurisdiction to take cognizance, or under which section? Section 199, 200, 201, 202. So the answer is A option, that is section 199. 15th question is section 197 of CRPC provides protection to public servants, judges, private persons, both A and B. So the answer to this question is D option, that is both A and B. 16th question is the plea of alibi is established by prosecution, accused, either by prosecution or by accused, none of the above. So the answer to this question is accused, that is B option. 17th question is under which condition a court may take into consideration the confession of one accused against himself and another person if they are tried jointly for the same offence, if they are tried jointly for different offences, if they are tried jointly for the same offence but not jointly. D is none of the above. Answer is A option, that is if they are tried jointly for the same offence. Our 18th question is in criminal cases the fact that the person accused is of good character is not a relevant fact, is a relevant fact, cannot be proved is conclusive fact. Answer is B option, that is it is a relevant fact. 19th question is which of the following does not find a mention as showing state of mind under section 14 of the Indian Evidence Act? Options are ill will, motive, good faith, negligence. Answer is B option, that is motive. 20th question is the presumption under section 90 of the Indian Evidence Act is a presumption of fact, is a rebuttable presumption of law, is a irrebuttable presumption of law, all of the above. So the answer is a presumption of fact. A is the answer to this question. 21st question is which section of the Indian Evidence Act is related with the doctrine of res ipsa loquitur? That means thing speaks for itself. Section 102, 104, 106, 108. Answer is A option, that is 102. Section 22nd question is section 105 of Evidence Act applies to criminal trials, civil trials, both A and B, nor A nor B. Answer is A option, that is criminal trials. 23rd question is maxim omnia prosecutor rito esse acta means all acts are presumed to be rightly done. B option is all acts are presumed to be not rightly done. C option is all acts are presumed to be wrongly done. D option is all acts are presumed to be not wrongly done. Answer is A option, that is all acts are presumed to be rightly done. 24th question is public documents may be proved by certified copies, oral evidence, uncertified copies, either A or C. Answer is A option, that is certified copies. 25th question is admissions can be made by parties to the suit or proceeding, by agent of party to the suit or proceeding, persons from whom interest derived, all of the above. Answer is D option, that is all of the above. 26th question is the bar to entertain a petition for divorce operates for a period of 1 year from the date of marriage, 3 years from the date of marriage, 2 years from the date of marriage, 6 months from the date of marriage. Answer is A option, that is 1 year from the date of marriage. 27th question is H married W. H and W are spindles to each other. The marriage between H and W is voidable, valid, void, none of the above. Answer is C option, that is it is void. 28th question is section 5 of HMA Hindu Marriage Act lays down conditions of marriage, registration of marriage, formalities of marriage, conditions of Hindu marriage. So the answer is D option, that is conditions of Hindu marriage. 29th question is a coparcenary is a creature of law, can be created by an agreement, both A and B, none of these. Answer is A option, that is it is a creature of law. 30th question is mother is class 2 here, not a here, class 1 here, a successor only. Answer is C option, that is mother is a class 1 here. 31st question is maintenance under section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act is a substantive relief, an ancillary relief, both A and B, none of these. Answer is B option, that is it is an ancillary relief. 32nd question is two persons are said to be related to each other by when they are descended from a common ancestor but by different wives. So the answer to this question is half blood, that is C option. 33rd question is two main schools of the Hindu law are Deyabhaga school and Mithila school, Mitakshara and Deyabhaga school, Deyabhaga and Dhirendra school, none of these. So the answer to this question is B option, that is Mitakshara and Deyabhaga school. 34th question is which of the following is not a modern source of Hindu law? Commentaries and customs, legislation, equity, justice and good conscience precedents. Answer is A option, that is commentaries and custom. ठीक है, ये मॉडर्न सोर्स ऑफ हिंदू लॉ नहीं है, इट इज़ एन एंशियंट सोर्स ऑफ हिंदू लॉ. 35th question is the doctrine of relation back was elucidated in the options दिए हुए हैं in which case law. So the answer to this question is C option, that is Raghava versus Chechama. 36th question is the salaries and allowances of the judges of the High Court are charged to the Consolidated Fund of India, Fund of the State, Contingency Fund of India, Fund of the State. So the answer to this question is B option, that is Consolidated Fund of the State. 37th question is the 9th schedule to the Constitution was added by 1st Amendment, 8th Amendment, 9th, 42nd Amendment. Answer is A option, that is 1st Amendment. 38th question is if the president is to resign from office, he should address his letter of resignation to Prime Minister, Vice President, Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Chief Justice of India. Answer is B option, that is Vice President. 39th question is who was the Speaker of the first Lok Sabha? Hukum Singh, G.V. Gulwalkar, K.M. Munshi. D option is U.N. Devar. So the answer to this question is G.V. Mavalankar. 40th question is the speaker can ask a member of the house to stop speaking and let another member speak. This act is known as decorum, crossing the floor, interpolation, yielding the floor. Answer is D option, that is yielding the floor. 41st question is the impeachment of the President of India can be initiated in either House of the Parliament in a joint sitting of both houses of the Parliament, the Lok Sabha alone, the Rajya Sabha alone. So the answer to this question is either House of the Parliament, that is A is the answer to this question. 42nd question is which one of the following is not included in the state list in the Constitution of India? Police, law and order, prisons, CRPC. Answer is D option, that is Criminal Procedure Code. 43rd question is which article of the Constitution says no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engaged in any hazardous employment? Options are Article 24, 45, 330, 368. So the answer is A option, that is Article 24. 44th question is in which part of the Constitution of India the fundamental duties are enshrined? Options are Part 4, Part 4A, Part 4B, Part 5. So the answer to this question is B option, that is Part 4A. 45th question is which of the following is called mini constitution? Our options are Government of India Act 1935, 42nd Constitutional Amendment, 44th Constitutional Amendment, Government of India Act 1991. So the answer is B option, that is 42nd Constitutional Amendment is called the mini constitution. 46th question is what is the date of adoption of the Constitution? 26 November 1949, 26 Jan 1950, 15 August 1950, 30th January 1960. So the answer to this question is 26 November 1949. 47th question is which article of the Constitution provides guidelines for amending the preamble? Options are Article 30, Article 200, Article 368, Article 256. So the answer to this question is Article 368. C is the answer to this question. 48th question is which article of the Constitution grant us the right to constitutional remedies? Article 14 to 18, Article 23 to 24, Article 32, Article 368. So the answer to this question is C option, that is Article 32. 49th question is the idea of the directive principles of state policy is borrowed from Ireland, United States, British, Canada. So the answer to this question is A option, that is Ireland. Our last question is by which amendment of the Constitution was the voting age vote from 21 to 18? 37th Constitutional Amendment, 61st Constitutional Amendment, 56th Constitutional Amendment, 46th Constitutional Amendment. So the answer to this question is B option, that is 61st Constitutional Amendment 1988. So ये थे हमारे 50 questions on the subjects of CRPC, evidence, Constitution एंड हिंदू लॉ. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स ताकि मैं और वीडियोस बना सकूं, ठीक है, सिमिलर. थैंक यू गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशंस. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.